ask you something. Have you ever started a trip already feeling frustrated? Before you even leave the house, you're wrestling with a zipper that feels like it's about to break. The wheels on your back, it sounds like
broken shopping cart.
And by the time you get to the airport, your energy is already like drained. For years, I told myself that luggage, it didn't matter. I mean, it's just a container, right? But now I know the way you start your trip, it really sets the tone for the whole journey, for literally for everything that follows. If you start with stress, disorganization for sure, and a bag that is literally like fighting you like all the time, you're gonna carry that energy through your entire trip. It's gonna feel like hell. Now, that's why Level 8 has become my travel essential. It's my daddy. Now, it is just not about packing stuff. It is really protecting my peace of mind, my style, and obviously my mood. My summer mood cannot be ruined by crappy luggage. Now, I gotta tell you, this Level 8, it glides like butter. It's like yummy. It feels just like so smooth. There's like no fighting, no dragging, no concern that it's gonna break on the way. And also the TSA lock, then I feel like more confident because sometimes I travel with cameras, I travel with jewelry, and I feel a little bit concerned when I don't have a luggage that is protected. Now, I'm gonna tell you, the inside, it is so organized as well. Love the zippers, love the compartments. I love one side, it's almost like plastic. So definitely for summer, if you're gonna have wet underwear or swimsuits, that pocket there, it is heaven sent. Even my overpacking, it looks organized. And you can ask my husband, he hates to pack. He hates when I pack a lot of stuff because, I mean, I'm in fashion, right? You know me now. But I gotta tell you, since Level 8, everything is just so much smoother, no stress, so organized. I'm in love. And it's scratch resistant. Oh my God, it drives me crazy when I get a nice luggage and it's all scratched and banged up and I'm like, so if you're like me, that is like very anal about things like that, Level 8, it is scratch resistant, so you're not gonna have that issue either. In all honest truth, your summer memories really starts before you even start your vacation. So you got to make it intentional to even have fun while you're packing, when you're traveling, and when you make it to your destination. It is the whole vibe. Everything starts the moment when you decide what to bring, how to pack it, and how you feel walking out of your door.
Very quickly, hack number 1, how to clean your luggage. So what I like to do is get a magic eraser, wet it a little bit, and all the scuff and all the gunk and the dust and the dirt literally will come out so easy. You don't even have to scrub harder. Now this design specifically, I do find it very interesting because it has this handle in the middle. When I'm in the airport, I did find myself literally carrying it like this quite often. And it was convenient, and then I could carry it like this. So it's gonna have the airport tracking here, priority. I've been having this luggage for about a year and a half now. It's holding solid and it still looks pretty good and sexy. Look at the piece of shit in here. I think it was like $95 that I paid for this. Not worth it. When this has some weight, most luggage, what they do, like this did, this, no balance whatsoever. You get away. You get away. Because it's my show now. Push them. That one's still standing, like I'm not bothered. That one fainted. Look how wide it is. Notice that it is exactly the same as the width of the luggage. Exactly the same. Look at this. How thin the holder is and look how big the body. This creates the luggage to not be stable. This right here feels solid. This almost plastic to me. You can tell the difference right away, night and day on quality. Look at the wheels, like ballerina style. Goes around, goes around, goes around.
Okay, so let's open the luggage up so you see how sturdy the zippers are. Not a problem on that one. You're gonna be very happy with the quality of the zippers. You already know the locking system that it has for TSA. The first thing that you're gonna see is this awesome compartment in here. This is very beneficial for me for underwear, for socks, and smaller things. Love that. So you can actually pack a lot in here. This is the one that is like in that plastic material. This is great for things that are prone to be spilled, or if you have some wet bathing suits. I have not seen many of this design in luggage before, so that's a plus in there. It has another compartment as well below that one. Look at this. So you can actually make compartments within your luggage. That's great, because then things are going to be less chaotic when you have to unpack. Almost like a page. And then you have this whole trunk under it, right? It's kind of nice and deep. You can protect it with the strap as well. And then on top of that, you can zip it up and then zip it again, and voila. It's like a trunk. This is very, very convenient, you guys. You're looking for good luggage, look no further. This will be the solution to all your traveling problems. Now, I gotta tell you, you deserve to feel ready when you're traveling. Feel elevated, and most importantly, unstoppable. Again, you deserve to be ready, elevated, and unstoppable. You deserve the best. The truth is, when you feel good, you're gonna travel differently, and in consequence, you're going to start live very different. You're gonna be paying attention to the things that matter the most: the quality, the simplicity, the longevity of the item. Your peace of mind, it is worth more than any money in the world. It's about you. Just get everything so that you like. I love a little bit of pop of color, so something like this is great. This is by the brand Magic. And there are times if I want to feel a little bit more sexy, I like to actually go with 2 pairs of swimsuit. At least you're packing kind of diverse. One brief and one jog strap, or something kind of like a thong or something sexy. This is by 𝐼𝐸𝐵𝐻. If you have not heard about them, they're an absolutely beautiful underwear company that makes things such in a high quality, and have a lot of videos with them. So if you're interested, also let me know and I will introduce you to the brand, because they have amazing designs. When you're traveling, pack a white linen shirt, and I'm going to actually pair it with some black denim short shorts. I think that would be such a nice looking outfit. What do you think? You never know if you're gonna go to a nice dinner, right? And you want to look the part, you wanna look awesome. So pack a suit. This right here, it is by 𝐾𝐨, and it is almost like a linen type of suit. Something like this is great to have. Why? Because you can separate them. So you can have shorts with a blazer, and it looks great with a pair of loafers. If you don't want to wear the blazer because it's too hot outside, you can wear a tank top or a fitted t-shirt with these pants. These ones in here are super lightweight. I love them, and they're super stretchy. Perfect for summer. T-shirts. Black t-shirt goes with anything. I can dress them up, I can dress them down. White sneakers always goes. Never throw away these little baggies for your shoes, because it's kind of disgusting when you put dirty shoes with your clothes. You don't want to end up having footprints on your top. I'm pretty. Hello, boys. Hello. I cannot not travel with a good pair of high heels. Why? Because you can have a nice suit and match it with your high heels for that queer style. Here I am, kind of like with this outfit, and I think I look freaking badass right now. So freaking hot. Actually, these high heels are meant to be for the guys. This is gonna be the new thing. It's gonna come strong in the next few years. I know it's a very controversial topic. I know. Nails are controversial. Makeup is controversial for guys. High heels is definitely controversial for men. People are just so behind. They're just past century. This is what's gonna be for the modern man. You don't have to be gay. You don't have to be queer. If you like it, you can freaking wear it. You can still look elevated and sophisticated and look the part by having girly items. Why not? And don't get me started, because now we're gonna be off topic on that one. Never forget about your headphones. Accessories like headphones, very needed. Don't forget your iPad. Obviously, that's very important as well. A good book. Why not? It's always good to learn something new. If you're a guy like me, that he has a cell phone, he has coins on the pocket, a lip balm because your lips are so dry, and I like fitted clothes. So you guys, don't be afraid. Find a clutch that it is not busy, something that is just very simple, very subdued, very elegant, like this one. So for the airport, when you're traveling, I always recommend a canvas bag or something a little bit more sturdy. If you want to dress it up a little bit more, why not? Even the bag could be dressed. Have your silk scarf. It makes things more elevated. Almost think about Hermes, think about Chanel, think about those expensive brands. Do not forget about sunglasses, needless to say, protect your eyes from the sun. Sun hats are so important. The sun lately is just being terrible. On that same topic, do not forget your sunblock either. Guys, you will love this. This is a sunblock that is tinted. So it's gonna balance your skin. It's gonna look like you have a little makeup, but it doesn't show that you have any makeup. It's gonna just look your skin healthier and glowy and beautiful with just a little bit of color, but not too much. Mousse, love that to travel with. Moisturizer. And we have to smell good. So for me, there's nothing better like a Jo Malone fragrance for summer. It's fresh, it's simple, it doesn't bother anybody, it's just not too musky. A good thing about to pack all those little things, Level 8 also offers baggies like this, and it comes in a set of 5 or 6, I believe, and it has different sizes, and I love it to place my makeup. So I have one baggie for my makeup, I have one bag for my skincare, I have one bag for my hair products, and actually one little one like this for my jewelry and accessories. These bags, when you get a luggage, don't forget to add to your order. You will love this. Summer is just too short to spend wasting time in bad luggage. Let's just say what it is. It is time for you to upgrade your travel, upgrade your energy. You deserve to travel nice. You deserve to travel without stress. I gotta tell you, upgrade your travel, upgrade your energy, and upgrade your story. Level 8, where your style meets your next chapter.
I am ready to go. I'm very satisfied with Level 8. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Alrighty, vámonos!
Bueno, mi gente, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so right now if you want to learn more about traveling essentials, about makeup, skincare, clothes, jackets, jeans, underwear, some sexy content, lifestyle vlogs, you name it. You are on the right space. Our gay community, it is strong, more unified than ever, and this channel, it is for the fashionista lovers, for the lovers of life, for the lovers of fashion, and for the lovers of the gays. Spread love and do not hate. You listen to me, do not hate, and live fully, live with intention, and let's set that standard. We are gonna fight. We're gonna fight the good fight, and we are not gonna let ourselves down by anybody. Just tell me on the comments, what else do you want me to film about? As long as anything fashion, beauty, underwear related, you know what I'm saying? Love you, have an amazing day, and I will see you here on my channel and on my next video. Mwah. Take care. Bye now. Wait. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful.